Hi guys, welcome back to Review Central. Today I'm unboxing Spider-Man Miles Morales. So let's read what it says on the back of the cover. Be greater, be yourself. Experience the rise of Miles Morales as the new hero masters incredible, explosive new powers to become his own Spider-Man. Right, let's open the seal. See. It's very difficult to take off the cellophane. Right, here we have the disc and just a piece of paper with some warnings and stuff, just some random stuff. The cover is reversible. I might reverse the cover, it looks nice that way. Thank you for watching.